Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Alfred Eskandar, co-founder, president, and COO of Salt Financial, to discuss a fixed index annuity product that provides exposure to the Nasdaq-100 while protecting the principal. Alfred, it's great to have you with us live at MarketSite. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you for having me.
What are investors demanding exposure to, particularly those looking for solutions to protect their nest egg?
Well, I think certainly we've seen the run-up in the markets last year, and obviously people get very excited about growth stocks. So there's always a demand for that type of exposure. But what we've seen with the latest volatility is that certainly protection after building a nest egg for so many years would be a nice thing to have.
It reminds me of 2009 a lot when, think about you're coming close to retirement and we've seen what's happened in people's portfolios. How can a fixed index annuity product provide that exposure to the Nasdaq-100 while giving some layer of protection to the principal?
Yeah, well, similar to other indices, the Nasdaq-100 obviously is one of the most tremendous brands, offers the largest technology company exposure. So a lot of firms, a lot of individuals want those name recognized, the names within the 100. The fixed index annuity is a type of product that is created with downside protection, so you get the exposure, but also you get protected from losses, where in a year like this, that would be a really powerful benefit to have.
What does that layer of protection look like?
So using derivatives wrapped into the product, we're able to create hedging and downside protection. So the annuity holder actually is never exposed to the downside. Obviously, there's all sorts of other features within the product, and they're not all the same. But that's the overall idea behind a fixed index annuity, is the ability to get exposure to a name brand index like the Nasdaq-100 while still having your principal protected, which is a really important thing, certainly for baby boomers and now Gen Xers as well.
How about the Nasdaq Salt Financial partnership? What will that collaboration bring together?
Well, this is very exciting for us. Obviously, Nasdaq is known for its tremendous brand in recognizing technology companies, innovative technologies. So we're incredibly flattered that they've chose to partner with us and collaborate on producing a series of these indices for the insurance industry. And what it means is that we get these indices that are well-known, name brands, plus our cutting-edge technology collaborating together.
What makes this product unique, and can you give us any insight into future products?
Sure. The collaboration is off to a very, very good start, so I'm pleased to see that. We will have some things that we'll be happy to share in terms of wins later on this year. I think what's really most unique is the fact that Nasdaq-100 index is now available in a risk-controlled way, which was not done before. So it's just the fact that it's now available, whereas before investors did not have that choice.
Yeah, and to your point before, bringing innovative products
Sure.
to the insurance space, certainly, certainly ripe for it.
Yep. Yeah. I mean, there are 65 million Generation Xers, and there's roughly 10,000 baby boomers retiring every day. So principal protected investment vehicles are in tremendous demand, and given these numbers, there's a long tailwind that's going to support that demand going forward.
All right, appreciate the insight, Alfred. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.